Ladies and gentlemen, it is bright out here. But what the video today is going to be about is me showing you how you go from this to this. As the YouTubers say nowadays, let's talk about it. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, so I am coming to you today with that video to explain how on a Nikon Z30 and also any other camera that you may have, this should work for that also. I am using the kit lens for the Nikon Z30, and so the lowest f-stop is 3.5 on this lens, and I'm shooting at 4K 30, so I got it at 1/60 shutter speed, and the ISO is 100. But as y'all saw at the beginning of the video, that it was blown out bad, and in order to keep, you know, as much blurry background as possible with the lowest f-stop, in order to not mess with the settings and make things go all haywire, the way to fix that problem, as a lot of y'all may already know, is a cut ND filter, and you're able to rotate it to where you need it to go as far as the amount of amount that you may need to dial in what you actually need for the to get your settings and get your exposure right. All right, so I'm going to show you exactly what ND filter I have, and also you know, pretty much, you know, talk a little bit about it. All right, so I will come back with y'all shortly. All right. Yeah. The ND filter that I was talking about. Yep. And word of advice for some of y'all, these are step up rings for the ND filter. They got step up and step down rings, and what these do is you could connect as many as you need onto it to get to the filter size that you might have. This filter size is a 67 mm. Word of advice also is, wait, I'll talk about that later. Hold a minute. So what we're gonna do is, we're gonna put, see right here is 52 to 55. So that means this right here for this 40 mil, this 40 mm lens, the filter size is a 52. So go ahead, screw that up. There goes Fraser. Sheesh. Hopefully I didn't mess up the threads on that. So screw that on. There. Then ND filter. All right, that is on. All right. All right, ladies and gentlemen, so I have the ND filter on. First off, in order to get the background, the exposure right, I would crank up my f-stop, and I'm going to, let's see, yep, F11 look like, I'm a little dark though. The sun ain't out like it need to be for me to demonstrate what I'm trying to. But as you can tell, the background isn't blurred out at all. But in order to do that, I need to go down my f-stop. But in order to do that with the exposure being right, I need that ND filter on that I have. So we're going back over here and we're going to crank it back down to the lowest f-stop, which is F2. Now you see how blown out that look. So now I'm gonna come over here and we're going to twist and twist and twist. Boom. Now if I step back, okay. You know what? I must try to turn the camera around so maybe some light will hit my face and it won't be so dark. Okay. And boom, now that's better. Okay. That is better. Okay. Still a little blown out. So what we're about to do is wait till we get rid of them zebras. And we're almost there. Boom. Now, that's better. All right. So, I don't know if the background looked blurred out or not. It's hard for me to see on this little screen. But what I was saying about the step up range, step down range, in my opinion, to save some money, I'm all about saving money. You would get the biggest size, 82, 90, what's the other size? 90, I know it's an 82 mm and a 90, I want to say 96, but I could be off. I'll put that up here somewhere on the screen if I'm not correct. But those are the bigger size filter, ND filter sizes, and it'll be best to probably get the biggest size so that you can step up or step down the ring for whichever lens you have. If you got a lot of lenses, that's different sizes. I didn't do that with this. It's about to storm. I didn't do that with this one. This is back when I first got my Canon M50. I bought the ND filter. It was mainly for photography, but the more I got into the video part of it, I started using it for that. But I do plan on getting another ND filter somewhere in the near future, and it will be a bigger size so that I could use it on every lens that I have. All right, so I appreciate y'all joining me, and this goes out to one of my subscribers, if she's still my subscriber, because I know it's been a long time since she asked about this video, and I had a lot going on, which shouldn't be an excuse, but I finally got around to making this video. I had, as you could tell from the first clip, I did start on the video, but didn't get a chance to finish it. You might even see it in my glasses. I got new glasses since then, everything, and yeah, so I apologize to that subscriber and the rest of y'all that might have been waiting on me to make another video. And this is on the Nikon Z30, and this is the Nikon 40mm lens. Z mount lens that I'm using right now. It was the lowest f-stop lens that I had, so therefore that's why I wanted to try it and show y'all the difference with if it's, you know, if the background is blurred out or not. As you can see, the closer I got, of course, it looks kind of milky back there. It looks kind of good. Yeah, so see, hey, I'm out here doing this for y'all. I'm about to get poured down, rained on, but hopefully lightning don't strike me before I finish this video. Okay, so I appreciate y'all joining me. I plan on making some more videos with the Z30. Trying to find me some free time in order to make some more videos. I'll be kind of busy and working, and then when I'm not working, I'm trying to rest. And then sometimes the days that I have off is rainy or the weather ain't the best and I can't even get out and make a video. But I'm gonna try to make sure I do something, even if it's inside the house, to give y'all some content. Yeah. All right, so appreciate y'all once again joining me, Creative Dez. I'll catch y'all on the next one. All right, later.
Thank you.